One morning, wolves go out to feed. Saw a bird eating insects in a tree. He pretended to be pitiful and said to the little bird, "Dear little bird, would you like to be my friend? I don't usually like to make friends, so no good friends. My grandma is sick. Hope I make a good friend to take to meet him. Can you help me fulfill his last wish?" The bird said sympathetically, "Don't be sad. I can be your good friend." The wolf says thank you. "Can you come home with me and meet Grandma?" The little bird answered cheerfully, "Let's just go. Don't keep your sick grandma waiting." After saying that, the bird flew down the tree, went home with the wolf. The bird went to the wolf's house to take a look. How can there be any sick grandma? The bird hurriedly asked your grandma. "Wolf sound seems filial. You are such a stupid bird. I lied to you. I don't have a grandmother at all." The little bird said sadly, "How can you lie like this?" The wolf replied that you trust people too easily. After saying that, the wolf pounced on the bird, ate the bird in one bite.